Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my natural hair prep, basically my wash without a go, my wash and wig routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I usually wash my hair every 2 weeks, and whenever I do, I make sure I do the most to make sure my hair doesn't have any excuse to grow. My hair is usually very dry after 2 weeks. Like, I have really dry hair. I have very high porosity hair, which basically means that my hair allows moisture in and out because of previous damages that happened to it that I also talked about in my previous videos. So my hair absorbs a lot of moisture. As a result of that, it makes my hair very dry, and like my hair needs like serious attention. Basically, my hair is just bougie. Let's just say that. And yes, I have been using Cardi B's avocado mask. Guys, this is the best mask ever. This recipe, I did a video on it. I will link it down below. It is the best mask ever. Like, if your hair is damaged or you need to get your curls back, I definitely recommend this mask 100%. This is my 3rd time using it and I love it. When you try it, just let me know and you would definitely thank me later. I leave the mask for 30 minutes to an hour. You can leave it more if you want, but for me, you know, I just don't have the patience to just sit there. I definitely recommend leaving it for an hour so you can see the full results. After an hour, I wash it off. Oh my gosh, like, your tub is gonna be so gross. For you guys that wash your hair like in the kitchen sink, for me, I just don't like doing that because I cook there and it's just like, it just feels dirty to me. Like, let me know down below if you feel the same way. Like, I don't wash my hair in the sink because I just feel it's like gross a little bit. But I always like wash my hair in the shower, and just know that your tub is gonna be so gross. I go ahead with my favorite shampoo. This is the Shea Moisture 100% coconut oil daily hydration shampoo. I love this. Like, you guys, I say this every single video that I talk about hair. This is my favorites. This is the only one that works for my hair. I haven't found anything else that work for it. My hair is so bougie, like, so I need something that's gonna like work, and this so far has been the best. I also use the conditioner with it, and oh my gosh, I love this combo together. Y'all see what these two do to my hair? Like, oh my gosh, they make my hair just look and feel amazing. I love them together. I've been seeing a lot of people trying out this new EZ Detangling Brush. I didn't want to buy it, but you know, I'm a product junkie and I like trying new stuff. I decided to order it on Amazon. The brush even looked funny. Like, when I saw it, I'm like, interesting. But I decided to detangle my hair with it. If you have curly hair, you need to have this brush. Even if you don't have curly hair, if you need to detangle your hair, I was really surprised. And the funny part about it is it did not even hurt, because usually I have really tender head and my hair like usually hurts so bad whenever I detangle. I don't even allow people to touch my hair. I don't go to hair salons. I don't do that because I have really tender head. But this brush, oh my gosh, like, it really exceeded my expectations. Like, it detangled every single layer of hair. I'm telling you, like, I was so surprised. Like, you can see my initial reaction was like, whoa, I wasn't expecting that at all. That was the first time me using it. I literally just took it out of the box when I used it in this video. This is the amount of shedding I got after using the brush. This is absolutely normal. This is the amount of shedding I get every time I detangle with other combs, or even when I do it with my finger. So it is definitely normal. I didn't lose like really crazy amounts of hair. I definitely recommend that EZ brush. It is amazing. I also also go ahead with my scalp brush. I love using the scalp brush because it helps promote hair growth, it prevents hair loss, and it also strengthens your hair. If you don't have this, oh my gosh, you need to get this. It is very, very important in my hair wash routine, and it's so relaxing when you use it. Like, it just makes your head feel so relaxed and literally like you just came from a spa day. Like, if you don't have it, make sure you get one. It is bomb. After washing, I go ahead and dry my hair with this towel right here. This hair towel I got from Amazon. You know what? I think I should just do an Amazon favorite because I have so much stuff that I need to talk to you guys about. I just feel like you guys need to know there's some things that you just need to buy. You know, yeah, I'm going to do an Amazon favorite and I'm going to post it as soon as possible. But I go ahead and dry my hair with this. This towel dry your hair like 20 times faster. Like, don't air dry anymore. I saw a comment on my video saying that don't hair dry. I don't know why the person said that, but the person just said don't hair dry. Can you please go back and tell me why not? Because I've been air drying forever now, so I don't know why you said that. Like, let me know down below. Do you air dry or do you towel dry? But this hair towel is bomb. Don't judge me, okay? This is literally where I store my aloe vera oil. If you guys haven't watched how I make my aloe vera oil, please check that video out. I go ahead and apply a generous amount on my hair, massage it, you know, make sure it's like, you know, all saturated. Then I go ahead with my favorite leave-in conditioner. This is the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. If you watch my video, you know this is my ride or die, okay? I use this all the time. Apart from my aloe vera oil, I also go in and put more castor oil, you know, on my edges because my edges, guys, you know, wearing lace fronts, oh my God, like you just lose, you just go bald, you know what I'm saying? So I always go in with my castor oil, just trying to like secure the bag, basically secure my hair from this glue I'm about to put on it. I go ahead and braid my hair. Oh my hair takes forever to braid. It literally takes about 30 minutes to braid. Okay, that's too long for me. I wish I can just have someone to do it, but my hair, like, it hurts. Anytime someone touches my head, it's in pain. So no, I'm just gonna do it for myself. I go ahead and braid my hair. I decided to do my makeup a little bit, you know, just spice things up on my channel because I always come here looking crusty. And today I'm like, you know what, let me just do my makeup a little bit, just, you know, just so I can look a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? So I go ahead and apply my wig, I put my glue, and, you know, just slay this wig, and yeah. If y'all don't know, I do have a hair company. I just don't like talking about it much on YouTube, but you know what? Now I'm going to start talking about it much so you guys can go buy some bundles. I do have a hair company. It's called Lumi Spice. It will be relaunching September 1st, 2020. I would definitely remind you guys when it relaunch, I'll be relaunching with like hair bands, hairpins, a lot of fun stuff, even eyelashes. Oh my God, it's going to be lit. So make sure you sign up for our email list so you can be reminded. I'm also going to link it down below so you guys can go ahead and click and sign up for it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is exactly what I do before I apply my wig. I really appreciate you guys watching the whole video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, comment down below ideas you want to see on my channel. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine.